Hi, this is Mayor John Hamilton again, reaching out to my fellow city employees. It's Thursday, May 7th. Just wanted to do a check-in and an update. Thank you again for all you're doing to help make the city work so well. I know these are unusual times and stressful times. They can be stressful for family situations. They can be stressful in workplace situations, school, etc. And the hundreds of city employees who are all continuing to work. I really appreciate your work, of course, but also I know these are challenging times to manage all of the risks and all of the uncertainties, and just want you to know how much I appreciate that and how we want to make sure all this is working okay for you and your families. There's, of course, support systems and resources that are available, but just know, I mean, everybody's going through a lot. The whole community is, and we're all part of that community, and I really appreciate your care for the community and hope you're caring for yourself and your families as well as we continue in our work to keep the city doing well. Maybe some updates. It was last Friday that the governor issued pretty substantial orders on May 1st to reopen the state through a series of 4 new stages, where he said we're in stage 1 and moving to stage 2, 3, 4, and 5 over the next months. As you probably know, that very day, locally, our health experts, in strong collaboration with me and the mayor and the county commissioners, decided we did not want to reopen as quickly as the governor indicated. Our data locally do not show a decline in cases, a decline in hospitalizations, which is what the governor stated was so important from his perspective. We're in good shape in our healthcare system in lots of ways. We need more testing, we need more contact tracing, but most particularly locally, we did not have evidence of a declining caseload, and so we needed to say, time out, we're not ready. We instituted through the health order at least a 2-week delay through May 15th for any changes. So we're continuing the status quo, emergency order, non-essential travel, stay at home when possible, all those things, at least through May 15th. So know that the local officials, myself included, are meeting regularly to review the health data to understand how and when we can open up more, allow more things to happen locally. But we're going to be very careful about that to make sure we do all we can not to backslide and to continue to protect health. So, for example, our continuity of city government team continues to work. They recommended to me, and I endorsed, that we are not going to make any changes in the opening up of our facilities, City Hall and et cetera, at least through May 18th on Monday. We'll be sure to give plenty of notice. Any time we do open up facilities, they will be in new protocols, protecting spacing, distancing, protecting employees, probably having incremental attendance, not full attendance on site as appropriate, continuing to do a lot of telework where we can, and also continuing all the safe practices to protect ourselves and our public in any interactions that we have. We're continuing to review a lot of program decisions on parades and pools and events and such that continue to be evaluated based on health and safety for us as employees and also for our public. I'll note, I think today may be the last day of MCCSC schools. That's going to be a change again for people. Thanks to all the teachers, thanks to all the parents who helped make that transition possible. I know that's a big challenge for many of us, and appreciate as we shift into summer schedule from the schools. That's going to be more change, so hang in there. Let us know what the dynamics are. You'll get another employee pulse survey, I think, sent out today that asks for your views about how you're feeling, what you're worried about, what you think. Please fill that out. Some 300 of you did, so that's terrific. The more we get, the better. That really helps us evaluate options as we go forward. Keep up the physical distancing, keep protecting yourselves at work and at home with your families. We will be developing the budget for 2021. I know it's only May, but it's, as you know, in times we need to be working on that, and that's going to be a lot of evaluation of revenues and all that, so stay tuned for that. enjoy the outdoors safely as you can. We have great parks. The weather's letting us do that more. Today's a beautiful day. I hope you can do that safely. Thank you again for your continued work on behalf of our community. Hang in there. We're going to get through this. We're going to come out the other side. We've done a lot of really good things to help make that safe and protect our public. Keep it up. Reach out to me, to your department heads as you need to or want to. And again, thank you. Stay safe. Take care of each other. Take care of Bloomington, and we'll be in touch again soon. Be well. Bye-bye.